Hello, this is me. So, I started my YouTube channel a long while ago, but neither have I been posting much, nor have I been consistent. This time around, after I took a sabbatical from my 9 to 5 corporate job, I spent few months figuring myself out. I realized art is something I love doing irrespective of the situation I'm in. It is like meditation for me. There's a lot more art I make, but I haven't been able to make content out of it. These are some of the bookmarks I made lately. I've been spending more time on my personal development, and although this journey isn't as easy and growing is an unending process, I'll make sure to be more consistent in sharing my work on this platform and connecting people through my art and putting across my ideas for you to see. If you'd like to be part of my journey, or if you like my art, tag along for more content I'll be sharing. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time, take it easy.